109A Punamu. It's nice to see someone's been trying. This premix grout just won't hold up in the shower because it's sand based. So we're going to put epoxy in there as we always do. So someone's tried to have a go themselves, but that's okay. We will sort it out. This is Phil. Okay, to whoever's interested, this is 109A Punamu. So we've just gone and redone the shower base area, which was all that's requested. So no walls have been colour sealed, which is normally what occurs. You'll notice that these walls here are quite badly stained all the way through. We usually colour seal those, but that hasn't been requested, and neither has the floor colour sealer. So we usually colour seal this floor as well. You'll see it's in quite bad shape. Anyway, we've done all the colour out here, tidied all this up here, installed new epoxy grout. So you do not replace the grout in here with sand-based grout, that causes half the problem. So we've got to put epoxy grout into here. Just still drying, you'll be able to see it reflecting a little bit there. So epoxy grout all through here. We've done epoxy all down these edges here. These edges were missing grout on both sides. So we've tidied all that up as well. Epoxy grout all along these edges here as well. And just tidied everything up and made sure it's waterproof. 2 cracked tiles, one down here and one over there, which first of all we weren't advised pre-coming here that they were cracked, and secondly getting replacement tiles in these showers is impossible. So we don't go and source tiles. If the client wants any tile replacement done, they have to try and find those tiles themselves. And these bathrooms being 15 to 18 odd years old, you need to rip the whole lot out. So this is probably costing about 10% of what it would be to get the whole lot ripped out and re-tiled. So this is Phil from Grout Perfect.